So say we wanted to integrate these two expressions on the board. We could do it algebraically, or we can do it numerically on the calculator. Some things you can't integrate algebraically, so we just do it on a calculator or numerically. So we get our calculators, and do you want to do it first do you want to graph it first, or do you want to do the other one first? Graph, okay. So first function we're going to put in is 3x take 5 to the power of 5. So we'll just go 3x take 5 all to the power of 5. And there's our function over here. Now, if we graph it, we're going to get something like this. How should we know how to set up our V window? Yeah, we set it up to the domain that we're integrating over, or the interval we're integrating over, 5 and -3 in this case. So let's go V window -3 all the way up to 5, and we'll do it a little bit more than that. We'll go -4 to 6, just so we can see it. So if we graph it, here's our graph. Now, changing the V window, we're going to get zoom auto, and it'll fit everything that we need to fit in there. Cool? Next, we want to integrate this. We go G-solve, across, then we pick the integral symbol. Now, picking the integral, it just gives us this. And it's like, what do? Well, you just key in the values you want. It doesn't cue you, you just have to know to put them in. So you just type -5 as the first one, and -3. And then 5 is the second one, and booyah, it does it numerically for us. Pretty cool, right? Very convenient. So this is a numerical way to evaluate an integral. It is totally valid to do a numerical method of evaluation on a test, unless it asks you to explicitly do it algebraically or analytically. Now, the other tool at our disposal, if we don't care to look at what the visual interpretation is, we can simply go options, calc, and then integral, and then you just type your integral in. So it was 3x take 5 all to the power of 5, was it? Yeah, 5 and -3. Can you have the more positive number above the more negative number? Can you have -3 up here and 5 down there?
No.
You can, but you get a negative answer.
You just got to negate it.
Yeah. Boom.
You get a negative answer.
Seem cool? Alright. Now, suppose you're doing one of the trig ones. Oops. Sine x. What do we need to remember to do before evaluating this?
Rad.
Make sure you're having a rad time. If you're having a deg time, you're going to get a different answer. So shift, menu. Make sure you're having a rad time, not a degree time. Seem cool?